Curious if your Instagram account is public or private? Let's check it out. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Check for the professional dashboard. If you see this on your account, it indicates a creator or business account, which is public by default. Now, to show you how to adjust privacy settings on a personal account, I'll first switch back to a personal account. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and tap Creator Tools and Controls. Select Switch to Account Type. In the pop-up, click on Switch to Personal Account, then confirm your choice. Once that's done, you can manage your privacy settings just like any personal user. Now, let's check if your account is public or private. Go back to the same Settings and Activity menu. Scroll to the Who Can See Your Content section. Tap on Account Privacy. Observe the private account toggle on My Account. If it's off, my account is public. If it's on, my account is private. To make your account private, just toggle this option on and confirm at the bottom. You'll see your current account status next to the Account Privacy tab. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and practical tips.